Friends, nature inspired inventors. One of the US patents discloses a cement compound inspired by the tree bark's ability to self repair. It is composed of tiny fibers that allow crack control, minimizing the damage while remaining strong. This invention relates to fiber reinforced, rapid hardening, highly strength engineered cementitious composite concrete material. Inventors Mr. Lee and Mr. Young got this patent grant in 2009. As per this patent disclosure, self-healing takes place automatically at a cracked location without any external intervention. This material exhibits high compressive strength within 4 hours itself, while also exhibiting high tensile ductility, means kind of the drag, right, for a long-term durability. Friends, get inspired through the nature and become inventors. Happy patenting. Ravi Sarpal.